In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and what to watch out for so your financials stay accurate. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online company. Then look to the upper right corner of your screen. Click the gear icon, which is your settings hub. This is where most company-level preferences live, including the ones that control how your books handle currency. From the menu that opens, choose Account and Settings. This area manages your core company details, preferences, and advanced accounting options. It's the right place for changes that affect how your entire file behaves. Inside Account and Settings, select the Advanced tab along the left side. The Advanced tab groups together features that impact your accounting framework. Here, you'll find the Currency section, which controls your home currency and related options. In the Currency section, click the Edit button, shown as a small pencil icon. This opens the settings you can change. Take a moment here to confirm you're making the change in the correct company file, especially if you manage multiple entities. Open the Home Currency dropdown and select the new currency you want to use. Your home currency is the base currency for your books and reports. It's the unit your financial statements and many system calculations rely on, so choose carefully. If you invoice or pay vendors in other currencies, those will be tracked as foreign currencies relative to your home currency. If you have not activated the multi-currency feature in your company, you can simply click Save, then Done. QuickBooks will apply the new home currency going forward. It's a good idea to review a recent report after saving, like your profit and loss, to confirm everything looks as expected, since formatting and symbols will reflect the new currency. If you have activated the multi-currency feature, there's one important limitation to keep in mind. Once multi-currency is on, QuickBooks locks the currency on your customer and vendor profiles. That means you can't change the currency for existing profiles. If you need a customer or vendor to use a different currency, follow the steps for adding a new customer with the correct currency and use that new profile for future transactions. This preserves historical accuracy and ensures exchange rates and balances stay aligned. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened Account and Settings, gone to Advanced, edited the Currency section, selected your home currency, and saved. Remember to communicate any currency changes to your team, so invoices, bills, and reports remain consistent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.